you guys hold hands, next day, wala ka ng kamay.
Sabi nila, pero I doubt na ganun siya ka-intense. But I think it was before. Feel ko ganun before dun. Like, how brutal it is to see na ganun. Nakakatakot nga naman talaga siya. So, pati ako, I was kind of paranoid to be in those countries na they're not LGBTQ friendly. Kasi, Philippines, kahit papano, we're not. You see a lot of people around us. They're acceptive naman. But they're not. Their mindset is like way different. They see you a bit close to each other, parang you get looks talaga, and then you really don't feel comfortable. You don't feel safe. You get looks, and it's not a pretty sight, lalo na gusto mo lang mag-enjoy.
If you want to watch the full version of our podcast, we're available on Spotify and YouTube.